Okay, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm India. Now I am going to discuss about VLSM, how to solve the problem of VLSM. Basically, I'm going to show static routing VLSM. So let's go. IP address network and host part. First of all, uh, you should know IP addressing, network and host part, or host, what is host, and which bit are used for network and whose bits are used for host. Okay, well, address classes identified by the first three bits subnet mask determines how the IP address is divided into network and host parts. So, first of all, we think the decimal notation 245 245 245 is the 3 octet and 8 bits. Okay, this is the subnet 28 bits. Okay, there are only 0 bits and 1 bit in host part of the IP address. Only 0 bits network address, only 1 bit broadcast. Router interface also requires 1 host. So router is a host. So there is a host IP address. There is node host IP address. So this is network, subnet, host. Okay, especially in IP address, any from IP address of local station 000, universal broadcast or multicast. This is private network range not propagated to internet. So private network, this is the private network. Private network, this is the class A, class B, class C, multicast, and others. Local load address. Okay, special IP address, link local address 169.254.0. Okay, reserved address not allowed to assign this host. Network address, basically this is the IP part. Okay, network address, broadcast address, assign prefix, CIDR, classless interdomain routing, prefix, subnet, host. So um, maximum number of host and subnet. This is the subnet. Host router interface, segment, next power, bit require. The host is the system. So what is the system? This is host router interface, and host router interface 2, segment 4, network power 4, then bits equal 2. Bits equal 2. Okay. Host plus router interface 6. Host where we connect or we provide IP 6 host or 6 host overall router or host actually 4. Then we need to segment 8 and next power 8. Require bit 3. So 2 to the power 3 means 8. Okay, 2 bits, 1 bit use broadcast and other and 1 bit another bit is for network. So this is the way. When we connect 60 hosts, 14 hosts, then we need 16 segments and net power 16 and bits equal 4 and 4. Okay, 2 to the 4 means 16. So 1 bits used for network, and another bit is for broadcast. Okay, so two bits are bits are separate from. Okay, by this way, this is the basically an contour and number or power bit. Okay, and this is the total bit. 24 and 9 means 501 2. Okay, 8 means this is the value of power of 2. Okay, let's say go one address plan. We determine the marks same for all subnets or different marks for single segments as necessary VLSM. This is the virtual LAN subnet masking VLSM. We determine subnet address for all segments. We assign the address to router interface including point-to-point links and to all stations. Write down broadcast address of all subnets. So how to solve this problem VLSM subnet VLSM virtual LAN subnet masking? Okay, our assigned network is here. And our network topology is here. So this is S1, S2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So S1 needs 13 host, 13 client or host, and S2 needs 4, 8, S3 needs 10, S4, S4, S5, 6, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6, 7 needs 4. Okay, so let's go how to calculate the subnet chain for this topology. So first of all, we should calculate subnet and provide IP for the more needed more host station or more host station. So this is the S1 which is need more IP or more host address. So first of all, we should calculate in this here the big amount of or large amount of host. Okay, first subnetting prefix. There is a prefix of subnetting. We start with the biggest subnet of S1 using VLSM. There is mentioned 30 stations total. Okay, plus one router interface. This interface will be count for this network. So our total interface will be 14, and so 14 for 14 host we can get 14 hosts from this net. 2 to the power 14 means 60. So 4 bits we need to borrow from 4 bits for this network. Then there is 28. Okay, so 2 bits are reserved for 1 bit network, and another bits are reserved for broadcasting. So this first possible prefix to networks as 1, 0, 0, and etc. Okay, second as 1 prefix here, subnet is it. And there is a borrow bit 4 borrow bit for this network, and which we can we can calculate the normal subnetting. We can get usable IP 1 to 14 and broadcast 15. Okay, so our needed host is 14. Okay, we can get this subnet easily this net, or when we will borrow 4 bit for this net, then we will be get accepted IP for the host or for the topology S1. Okay, then another subnetting technique for S3. Why not S3 needs more host from S2, so S3 needs 10 host for address. Maximum needed host or IP will be calculated first, or first file priority. So S3 is the next subnetting or subnetting 2. Okay, we calculate this session. There is need 10 stations and 1 is router interface, so there is 11 stations. Okay, or 11 ports. So, and plus 2 bits always reserved for this network. One is network and another is broadcast. Okay, so again we have to need 4 bit borrow from for this network, and our network will be 16. Why not 15 is the broadcast? Okay, this is our IP, usual IP 30 and broadcast 31. According to subnets 1 and 2, and we can calculate the subnet 3 again. Continue with the subnet 2. So for the topology 2, and there is need 8 hosts or 8 station. So 8 plus 2, sorry, 8 plus 1, interface 1 is router. So 8 plus 1, so 8, 9 station, and plus 2 is always reserved for network and broadcast, so 11. So we should use the 4 bit for this network. Although there is a few IP is unused or lost for this net, but we should calculate this way, and we should borrow 4 bit for this network. So according to S1, 3 and 2, S1 and 3, so we calculate the S2 network. 31 is broadcast for was broadcast for S3, and 32 is the network for this session or S2 topology, and 33 is the IP, and 33 to 46 is usual IP, and 47 will be broadcast. So according to this and this way we can calculate our all subnets by this way. Okay friends, if you any questions for any asking, please text me. Mm, I will try to how to better answer your feedback, your questions. Okay, thanks a lot for watching my channel and watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notify the notifications the upcoming video. So friends, subscribe my channel and share more and more. I will try to uh, better I will try to provide you better video in the CCNA or network technology. Okay, thanks.